Ah, balloon.
Mm.
Balloon
Supersonic.
to.
We're looking at it from the top.
Balloon.
Mm.
Yun yung ano na.
Albuquerque. Yan.
Ang ganda ng forma niya, no? Parang
Mm.
para rocket.
Ano ito?
Mm.
Ito. Ano ito? Yan, oh.
This one.
Ito yung buong.
Yan nga. Oh.
Yan pa, oh. Ito, oh. Parang balloon. Balloon ba yan o talagang aeroplano?
Ang plano yan.
Balloon kasi yung silver niya.
Parang yung pagka-silver niya.
Yung balloon na. Baka balloon yan.
Nakabalon
Ah, balloon
ka.
nga.
Niloloko tayo niya.
Masyado ba?
Waterman. We're looking all those planes from here to the second floor. Going down. Right here. This is a waterman plane. Yeah. Good enough. We are at the second floor. Still exploring around.
Para sa tubig.
Jong, say hi. Lalagay ko sa YouTube yan. I had a YouTube channel though. Okay.
Hello! Water. Nasa air, water.
Putol eh.
Dinagpas. Walang bulo.
Hindi. Ganda oh. Parang jet.
the plane, so you can take off on a road, and then when you get back, fold it in.
Oh, a lot of planes. That's the Boeing right there. The yellow one, yellow and red. All different kind of plane.
Liquid propellant, oh.
Kala mo plastic eh.
Oh, it looks like plastic.
Ito ang liit.
Ooh, look at
Liit.
that. Hey, Concourse. Take a picture of the Concourse.
Okay. Lot of planes. Okay. Okay, see you later, folks.